Hey Colin, what day is it?
What's today?
My birthday.
It's your birthday today? How old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old?
Yeah.
You know this is going to go on YouTube and you get to see yourself when you're older?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you have there?
Legos.
Oh my goodness.
Tons of Legos.
Yeah.
Is it really the Stig?
It's really not the Stig. I tried to make the Stig.
That's awesome.
Yeah, he's got blue jeans on because I couldn't find white legs.
It looks like the Stig though, so that's cool.
What's the Stig? Is that from Harry Potter?
No, it's from this cool show. It's on the BBC. It's a car show.
Oh.
Big handles. All 4 of them.
Alright, you just stay there.
Fire. All little boys in fire.
No,
Wait.
Oh, we gotta sing happy
we
birthday.
gotta say. You ready?
Yeah.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Colin. We can't sing, can we?
Happy birthday to you.
I don't even try.
Yay!
Wait, Colin!
Yeah.
You did! Yay, good job!
Excuse me. It's like I'm getting over this candle so I can eat some cake.
Oh my.
Careful!
Cool.
What is it?
I don't know. Baby bird type for cars too.
What is it?
Yeah, it's a kite.
It's a
He said a
kite.
bird kite. Yeah, Angry Bird's kite car thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the bag has cars on it.
You can. I think it's a hit, whatever it is.
What? A dinosaur.
Dinosaur I got.
It's a dinosaur car thing.
Everything's cars because it's in the Cars bag.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's the one with the skeletons. It's got flesh-like things, and then you open them up and you find skeletons inside.
Never.
Did you see this, Sarah?
You take this.
Yeah.
Off.
Yay.
Oh, it's kind of hard.
Well, it's kind of a learning field. That's
Yeah.
Ooh, another
like that.
dinosaur.
Another dinosaur.
In here.
Open it up.
There was this really loud, annoying Tyrannosaurus Rex Hot Wheel thing that we just kept pushing the button on that we felt about.
It's another bunny dino.
Another bony.
Thank you.
What's the playbook?
Go get Cat a hug.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He's all like, guys.
He's all into that. Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, go over
Give Tammy a hug.
Come on.
Say thank you.
Yes, like you're welcome.
Okay, now here you can open your card.
Again.
Dollar for me.
How
Some
much?
dollar.
These are for me.
Yeah, those are for you.
Woohoo.
What's it said?
What's it said?
What's it say?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Have a 4th birthday full of mega big thrills and tons of fun. Hope it's great.
Oh.
Oh.
Nana and Papa.
He got such a
Say
kick.
thank you and Nana Papa. Give them hugs.
Thank you, not Papa.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They want a nickel instead of a dime because it's bigger.
Say thank you.
Oh.
Oh, I get a hug too? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
Yeah.